Hey guys, if you are experiencing jumping header in Divi, you just need to override the default padding that they put it in the theme. And these are the classes that you need to override. First class is the page container, and then also second class is I'm putting a comma, that's a separation. These are different classes. ETPB section first child, and then the other one is the ETPB section first child ETPB module, and then the first child. These are all in most cases has a padding of like a 40px or 110px, so you just need to overwrite that and make sure that it is 0. You can also I'm gonna pause that. So just simply copy it. Again, there's no uniqueness on this. This is a classes in Divi, a global classes in Divi that has a padding. So you need to override this one, and just to fix that padding, that jumping header issue. There are probably different classes as well, so I'm gonna put that in the link description. I'm also gonna put that in the link description so you can just copy paste it. Thank you.